Hello all, this is the first lecture about the subject Industrial Engineering. Now we will study Industrial Engineering Introduction. In this lecture we will see what is Industrial Engineering, its definition, why we should study Industrial Engineering, and who is an Industrial Engineer. The topic Industrial Engineering can be explained with the help of some examples. Look at here, this is a modern automobile assembly line. Assembly line means it's a queue of materials which is acted upon by many machineries. Many machineries are there. You can see in the first and second pictures a car manufacturing assembly line. So the production of the car starts from one end of the line and finishes at the other end of the line. So that kind of arrangement is known as assembly line. So this is a modern automobile assembly line. In these pictures we can see Amazon's automated warehouse. We know that Amazon handling lot of products. They have to transfer products from warehouse to the companies and also to the customers. Okay, that is a business. So this is their warehouse. Automated means human intervention is very little or nil. So you can see in the second picture one robot is doing the transferring of parcels from the Amazon's warehouse. They are arranging the parcels according to the instructions. And in this pictures we can see AGVs, automated guided vehicles. See, these are the automated guided vehicles. They are automatically transferring various types of items from one place to another according to the instructions. And this is also a AGV. Here items are transferred through a conveyor using a robot. And in another example, airport. In airport we can see lot of aeroplanes are there and cargos are there. Cargos has to be transferred from the airport to the aeroplane, then after reaching the destination from the aeroplane to the airport and then to the customer. It's a complicated operation in airports. So in all these examples we can see the application of industrial engineering. So all these applications like Amazon's warehouse, assembly line, airport operations, they are handling different kinds of products or they are doing different kinds of operations, but they are little complicated. In all these kind of operations industrial engineering is helpful. The knowledge of industrial engineering can be used to ease the operations in all these kind of examples. So we can see industrial engineering is about designing and improving complex production systems. We have seen the production system of a car manufacturing company. So industrial engineering is about designing and improving these kind of production systems. Industrial engineering is behind almost every efficient system you encounter, from Amazon deliveries and Tesla factories to airports, hospitals, even food delivery apps like Zomato and Swiggy, etc. Okay, this subject is making systems work better. So in this subject of industrial engineering we are going to study about how to make these kind of systems to work better and in a more efficient way. So industrial engineering is about increasing productivity and quality but with a lesser cost, and that will also give importance to safety of the workers as well as the products. So efficiency increase or improving the efficiency is the main goal of industrial engineering as well as the industrial engineer. The person who is in charge of the industrial engineering function in a company or in a firm is known as industrial engineer. In every big company, we can see an industrial engineer. Maybe one or two industrial engineers are there. So the primary drivers or the inputs of industrial engineering are given here. They are productivity, quality, and cost. Productivity means maximizing the output while optimizing the inputs like people, machinery, materials, and time. So the function of industrial engineers is look into how to get the most value out of every resource, while increasing the productivity. The industrial engineer makes sure that the quality is maintained. So for that, many kinds of improvement methodologies are like Six Sigma are there. So that will ensure that quality is maintained. And then cost. If the cost is increased, when we increase the quality as well as the productivity, there is no use. So cost should be minimized by optimizing waste and streamlining the production processes, like operation cost reduction, business, making the business more competitive and making it more sustainable. So these are the primary drivers of industrial engineering: productivity, quality, and cost. Then the resulting outcomes are safety and efficiency. Safety is important. True efficiency never comes at the expense of human well-being. That is, safety of the human being should be utmost important. And efficiency, this is the ultimate synthesis. An efficient system operates smoothly with minimal waste, maximum speed, and optimal resource utilization, bringing the entire cycle together. So these are the outcomes of the industrial engineering application in a firm. So we should understand that companies like Tesla, Amazon, Toyota, and Apple employ thousands of industrial engineers. Why do they hire these kind of industrial engineers? Because one of their success is the application of industrial engineering in their companies. They have good robots and machineries in their companies, but that alone is not enough to make their work more efficient and productive. The application of industrial engineering is one of the important factors to increase the efficiency as well as safety of the employees. So the company will lose money ultimately if safety is not considered. So industrial engineering is the discipline that ensures people, machines, materials, methods, and information work together efficiently. Industrial engineering is the science of improving systems. It is not just about machines, it is about designing better ways of working. So industrial engineering is not about making the machines better, but also the people who is working on it. The work they are doing should be easier and productive. So that is also in the scope of industrial engineering. So the concept of industrial engineering can be simplified like this. Industrial engineering is concerned with the design, improvement and installation of integrated systems consisting of people, machines or equipments, energy, information and methods. So the main goal of industrial engineering is to produce goods and services efficiently by utilizing available resources in the best possible way. So machines are there, people are working on it, and materials are worked on the machines. And industrial engineering helps for efficient production using these machines, people and materials. So industrial engineering is not about designing a machine, it is all about designing the entire production system. So the definition of industrial engineering is given by American Institute of Industrial Engineers, AIIE. Industrial engineering is concerned with the design, improvement and installation of integrated system of people, materials, equipment and energy. It draws upon specialized knowledge and skill in mathematical, physical and social sciences together with engineering principles to specify, predict and evaluate the results obtained from such systems. So this is the formal definition of industrial engineering according to American Institute of Industrial Engineers. So to understand the definition in simplified way, industrial engineering integrates people, machines, materials, energy, information and methods. People are those who are working in a firm. Machines are machineries like lathe, drilling machine, casting equipments, etc. And materials are different types of materials like steel, plastics, etc. And energy is there in all the machineries. It can be steam energy, electricity or solar energy. It can be any type of energy. And information is the communication between different entities. And methods, how the work is going on, how the people are doing the work, that comes under methods. So industrial engineering integrates all these. This picture clearly depicts the various activities of the industrial engineer. Methods, people, machines, materials, energy, and again information. So these are the various activities to be performed by the industrial engineer to make the industry and the production more efficient and effective without compromising quality and safety of the people around him. So this is the introduction lecture of the subject industrial engineering. Subscribe this channel to get the coming topics. So click the logo on the top right corner to subscribe this channel so that you will get the coming topics without delay. Thank you.